EPIRB, Emergency Positioning Indicating Radio Beacon, transmits at 406 megahertz emergency signal through COSPAS SARSAT. So it means when this one is activated, it will be connected to SARSAT. This a satellite that is aiding a transmission to locate the position of this equipment. It will be sent to LUT by local unit terminal, and then the LUT will transmit to MRCC or RCC to locate your position. So you will be rescued. The procedure, there's a two-way, manual and automatic. This is located on the bridge, outside, both side. It is a requirement that it should be going to float freely when the vessel sinks. But it's also possible, if there's time, somebody will carry this to the lifeboat. When you already carry this on the lifeboat, you can do by manual. You can also do by automatic. If you throw this to the sea, putting this lanyard, do not throw without putting the lanyard because it will be lost. That's why there's a lanyard here. This will be activated by seawater. But for better, you can do also by manual. There's a pin here on the top. Pull it, and then there's a switch. Very simple, switch. There's a switch for test, and there's a switch for real event. Once you pull it, see now there's a pin. It's a protection, so you will not be sending pulse transmission, because pulse transmission will cause company. Once you pull it, press it, it will transmit. There's lights here, lights. This is a very user friendly because it indicates here it is written if it's transmitting, if it's not transmitting, if you are on testing, it's already written here. If you want to see, you can come. Okay. So that is very easy. Only pull, switch. Yeah, switch. The other one is only for testing. I'm doing for monthly.